Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, black and white 35mm shot. I have lots of many shots, and I made some the other day. These are all black and white, so I colorize first. And I get this image. Well, first of all, I gotta colorize anyways, and so let's get started.